Aluminum welding has high requirements for welding technology. As aluminum is used more and more widely, aluminum laser welding has also been used widely. So can the handheld laser welding machine meet the requirements of aluminum welding? LightWeld 1500 watts series portable laser welder is the latest laser welding machine developed by the company. It can be used for welding aluminum materials and stainless steel welding with a thickness of less than 4 mm, handheld welding head and wire feeder.